Jimmy, dime time. Let's go!
Hey everyone, it's me, Jimmy Dime. Welcome back to my adventure room. Here, anything is possible. We can use our imagination and learn new things at the same time. Today, we're gonna do some finger painting. Have you ever done finger painting before? Great! Then you know exactly how much fun it is. We're gonna make some art. But first, I wanna show you another very special wall in my adventure room. Let's go! Here's that special wall I was talking to you about. Look, it's a jungle wall. Do you know what a jungle is? It's a place in the forest where there's lots of animals. Tigers and lions and monkeys, like my friend right here. He's just hanging out. But look, something's really special about this wall. When I snap my fingers, look what happens. And it glows in the dark, look. Wow, it's like we're really in the jungle. Everything glows, the flowers and the plants. Okay, are you ready to do some finger painting? Yeah? Let's turn the lights back on. Okay, I gotta get my fingers ready and we're ready to paint. Let's go! I'm so excited to start finger painting. Hey, wait, I have a question. How many fingers do you have? Let's find out together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's right, we have 10 fingers. 5 fingers on one hand, and 5 is 10. Wow, we're counting. That's so exciting. Okay, are you ready to see what colors I'm gonna use? Let's go. Okay, now let's see what colors I'm going to use. Here, the first color is orange. Wow, that's such a nice color. Do you see that? That's the color orange. Let's get to the next color. Okay, the next color is pink. Here, let's get the pink right in there. Wow, it's bright too. See? Pink. Our next color, it's gonna be yellow. Wow. It almost looks like it glows in the dark. And now it's our last color, green. Wow, that looks amazing. That's green. And these are our colors, orange, pink, yellow, and green. Hey, I have an idea. Before we start to finger paint, why don't we paint things that rhyme? A Jimmy Dime rhyme. Do you know what a rhyme is? Yes, it's a word that sounds like another word. So what we'll do is we'll paint all things that rhyme. Does that sound like fun? Let's go! Okay, let's start finger painting. So the first thing I'm going to paint is a balloon. Here we go. This is so much fun. And that's gonna be the string for the balloon. I'll make it green. Perfect. That's the first one. It's a balloon. So now we want to paint something that rhymes with it. What rhymes with balloon? That's right, a moon. Let's paint a moon. I'm gonna put a little face on the moon. And let's give the moon a nice smile. And a nice little eye. See? There, that's a moon. Balloon and moon. 2 words that rhyme. We're learning together. And let's do one more. This time, I'll do a spoon. Moon, balloon, and spoon. Here we go. That's a spoon. It's an orange spoon. Balloon, moon, and spoon. Now, let's just have some fun. I'm gonna do my hands. Yay! That looks so good. Here, let's do a little bit more here. That's so much fun! What do you think? Do you like the art? I think we did such a good job. I hope you did some at home too. Okay, let's go on to the next thing. Okay, for something special finger painting, let's do this. A little bit of magic, we can paint in the dark. Here we go. Wow, that's so cool. Look how that glows in the dark. Here, let's keep going. I'm doing some handprints. Wow. Wow, look how it glows. And my hands even glow too. That's so cool. Okay, let's see if I can make a big handprint on top of these colors. You ready? Hey, that's so cool. Let's do another one. Let's do it over here on the green. Wow, we're making art. This looks so nice. That's a little bit more. Cool. And on the side, let's get some pink right up here. Look at how the colors are all mixing together. Okay, now that it's all done, you know what you have to do. Let's sign my name on the bottom. You ready? Jimmy Dime. So we'll just do a J and a D. I'll do the J in the yellow. And let's do the other one in the pink. JD. That's my name, Jimmy Dime. Thank you so much for helping me make this art. Okay, should we turn the lights back on? Here we go. Wow! Wow! It looks so good! Thank you so much for helping me! Okay, I'm gonna hold this picture up, but I'm gonna clean up this paint first. Let's go! Wow! Look at the finished painting! You helped me! Thank you! Shall we see it one more time glow? Okay! Ooh! Wow! It looks so good! The colors go so good together! Yellow, green, pink, and the orange, and on the bottom, a J and a D for my name, Jimmy Dime. Let's turn the lights back on. Thank you so much for helping me paint today. We'll see you next time, and remember, you can do it. Bye.
Jimmy Dime time. Next show!